Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Laser Fridays. All right, so this project I actually made a month ago or so, but I couldn't share it because it was a gift for somebody, and I couldn't post it on social media until that said person received this gift, or else it would have spoiled the surprise. So this actually was a commission piece. It was commissioned by Kathleen from Coz Creations, and she is gifting it to Jeremy from Masse Art Studios. So Jeremy, for his birthday. So happy birthday, Jeremy. His birthday was on June 25th. So happy birthday, my friend. So yes, Kathleen asked if I could do a gift for Jeremy, and it is, as you will probably have noticed, it is a golden doodle, and it's Tate, their dog. For those of you who don't know, they have the cutest little golden doodle named Tate. Now, I have huskies, and I think they're adorable too, but Tate is cute too, super cute. And I can't wait to see him again in Texas this September. Speaking of Texas and speaking of workshops, that's right. I have 3 upcoming workshops coming up. So the first one coming up is classes with Kathleen from Coz Creations. Kathleen and I have teamed up for Fluid Art with Friends, and we are going to be teaching in Fort Myers, Florida, July 13th and 14th. Now, before you all get your knickers in a knot, I know it's hot in Florida, in the summer. I know I've been there like 20 times, but we are not painting on the beach, people. We are painting in a hotel conference room where it's nicely air conditioned. So for those of you worried about the heat in Florida, you don't have to worry because we're going to be indoors. And if you're traveling by car anywhere, whether it's your car or an Uber, you'll be in the air-conditioned car. So that being said, come and see us in Fort Myers, Florida. We are going to be teaching 2 days, 4 classes, so 2 classes per day, and each class is 4.5 hours. So you are going to be getting a lot of class time from Kathleen and I, all right? So if you are interested in information to come and see us in Florida, you can email us at fluidartwithfriendsflorida@gmail.com. Now, I'll talk about more events in a second. I just want to talk about what I'm doing here. So here you see me. There's 4 layers to this golden doodle. And you're going to see as the video goes along, I painted him cream, black, brown, and bronze. I think that's bronze there on the right-hand side that you're looking at. So I did 2 layers of paint on each stencil layer, whatever you want to call it. And then I put them together when they were all dry, and it just didn't look right. It just looked way too bronzy. It looked like he was glowing. Anyone who has seen a picture of Tate knows he's predominantly black with a little bit of whitish cream on him and then some brown spots. So the bronze really did not work well for me after I put it together. I even swapped 2 of the colors and it still didn't look right to me. So you'll see as the video progresses, I actually took the bronze out altogether. So the black is the top layer, then cream, and then here you have the bronze, and then followed by the brown, and it just didn't look right. I'm not even going to show you a picture of what it looked like, but this is me changing it. So I totally took out, as you can see, I changed the bronze to brown, and then I made the brown, which was the base, into black. And I think he looked so much more natural looking and more true to how Tate actually looks. So I'm really glad I ended up changing that up. Sometimes you just have to paint these things and put them together and see what it looks like. And sometimes it just doesn't look right, and you got to pull out that roller and roll on a different color. Luckily, it's super simple to do. It wasn't a big deal. It was a simple fix. So, you know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But in this case, after I changed up these colors and put a black base on him, he looked adorable. All right, so as you can see here, I'm gluing each piece, putting some weights down on it to keep it down. So as I was saying, Florida, Fort Myers, July 13th and 14th. The next event I'm going to be doing is here in my own country, in Canada, in Montreal, in Quebec. Montreal, not in Quebec, in Montreal, I am doing a one-day workshop. That's September 14th. If you are in and around the Montreal area and you want to take a drive and come and see me in Montreal, it is going to be the only time I'm teaching in Montreal. It is a 7.5-hour drive for me from London, Ontario to Montreal. And I'm going to be doing the drive with Anthony, and I'm going to teach 2 classes on Saturday, September 14th. So if you want information on coming to see me in Montreal, you can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. And then finally, Dallas, Texas in September from the 27th to the 29th. That is another installment of Fluid Art Experience. And like I said, September 27th through to the 29th, 3 days, 2 classes each day. Come and learn with me. I am doing all new stuff. Well, not all new. I'm teaching quite a few new classes. I'm going to be teaching the bloom technique. I'm going to be teaching all kinds of fun stuff. If you want information and you know how much it costs and all that, you can go to www.fluidartexperience.com and you will find all the information that you need to know on the website. Okay, so we've got Fort Myers, Florida in July. We've got Montreal here in Canada in September. And then at the end of September, I'm doing Dallas, Texas. Now, next year, I know it's a long ways away, but I am doing the Lakeside Retreat at Deer Lake, being hosted by Billy from This Little Pigment, from TLP and Fluid Art Company. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching at the Lakeside Retreat, and I'm going to have a link with all that information in the description below. That is happening June 6th to the 9th of 2025. I know it's early. I know it's a year away, but it gives you a chance to save up your money if you really want to come. It is a small, very intimate event, only 12 spots available. That's it. So 12 spots. Everything is included. Like I said, check out the link in the website, which is the link in the description below, and you'll get all the information you need. All right, so yeah, that's all the classes so far that I know of that I'm teaching at. There will be more to come, I can guarantee you, and I will do another class here in my home studio in London, Ontario, in October. So stay tuned for that information. I will definitely do another class in October because I've been getting a lot of people asking me if I'm going to do another class. All right, so Tate is almost done here. I'm just finalizing, putting on his adorable little nameplate at the bottom, and he is going to be done like dinner. He's so cute. I'm so proud of this piece. It is on a 20-inch round. Forgot to mention that, but yes, he's so big and so cute, and he's on a 20-inch round. So there you go. Isn't he adorable? Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. If you have a dog of your own and you want me to do a piece like this for your dog of your breed with his name or her name under it, I can do that. You can email me and place a commission order. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful video of Tate. Happy birthday, Jeremy. I hope it was a wonderful birthday. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.